Hello everyone, welcome to Career Launcher. My name is Abhilasha and I'll be taking you through preparation for CUET 2027. In these sessions or series that we are running, we are discussing vocabulary. Today is phrasal verb. I hope you're joining me every Thursday for this session. Same time, same place, every week. All right, so here we are, vocabulary, phrasal verbs. Now, what is a phrasal verb? A phrasal verb is essentially a combination of a verb with a preposition. And together, these form something called a phrasal verb, right? And this phrasal verb has a meaning which is very different from the meaning of the verb and the preposition. Okay, so this is almost idiomatic in nature. You understand idioms, na? So idiom, the literal meaning is very different from the figurative meaning, and the figurative meaning works. So similarly in phrasal verbs also, uh, the figurative meaning will work and not the literal meaning. So that is why we need to know the meanings of phrasal verbs, because if you want to read, a lot of times writers will use phrasal verbs in your exam. Phrasal verbs are tested, so both for reading comprehension as well as otherwise also your knowledge of phrasal verbs will be very helpful. So here are a few. All right, so let's take a look at this one. So the board decided to, of course, I have got sentences. In each of sentence, one of the word phrasal verb will be correct. So you choose that one. The others, of course, will be incorrect. So the board decided to something, the merger discussions until the market volatility subsided. So now see, if you are watching this live, all you need to do is carry on with me. Otherwise, pause the video here. Mark your answer and then look for the explanation or hear the explanation. So the board decided to call off, hold off, on, carry out, back out. So what are the meanings of these idioms? You need to know that, and then only you will be able to identify the meanings of these, right? So let's take a look. So just 1 second, yeah. All right, so they decided to, so till the time that market volatility subsided, they decided to pause the merger discussion. So I want to say pause here. So call off means to totally cancel, so that will not work here. Hold off on the merger discussions, yes, this means pause, so this could work for us. Carry out means to perform or do, so that will not work. And back out is to again exit from the merger, so that also would be incorrect. The best answer will be option B, hold off on. All right, startups often have to something massive losses in their initial years before turning a profit, so they have to I guess tolerate, right? That is the best thing. So tolerate or endure, well, they just have to sort of accept it, right? They have to accept it and they can't do anything about it, because what do you do? So they have to bear with. Bear with means to be patient, okay, with a person generally. So that will not work here. Write off is to totally accept that it has failed. So acceptance of failure is the answer here, so that won't work. So let's eliminate. Put up with, yes, to accept and just carry on. So tolerate or accept, this will work. Count on, of course, means to depend on, which will be incorrect. So correct answer C, put up with. All right, the marketing team managed to do something, a brilliant strategy at the very last minute. So they thought of, right, very quickly. So what can I use? I can use come up with. Yes, come up with means to produce, suggest, okay, create. So that will work. Drop out of means to leave a course midway. So leave midway is to drop out of. So that also won't work here. Look into is examine or try to think. So that won't work. And fall back on is to depend on something. So none of those would work. Best answer will be option A, come up with. Okay. All right, let's look at the next one. After hours of intense negotiation, the two tech giants finally reached a deal, right? So reached an agreement. So brought about, no, brought about means to cause something to happen. They didn't cause something to happen, right? They sort of negotiated and fought, and so they hammered out a deal. So negotiated. So that will work. Worked up, to be worked up is to become very angry or excited about something. So that won't work. Closed down is to stop something, permanently close a business. Okay, permanently close. So of course that also won't work. So best answer will be option number B. All right, let's look at the next one. So the legal team was asked to something the contract to ensure there were no hidden loopholes. So of course they were asked to examine it, right? So look for a word for examine. So that could be look through, not look through. Okay, look through is to look across something. So that won't work. Check in, of course, is to get into a hotel, put your details into the hotel. So not that. Pull through will be to finally end, so not that also. So therefore go over, which means to examine, that will be the correct answer. The logistics manager had to something the sudden surge in delivery demands into during the festive season. So of course if there was a sudden surge, he had to sort of work with it, right? So not look up to. Look up to is to respect or revere. So that won't work. Turn down is to reject. So that won't work. Cope up, yes, to accept and work with it. Break into is to start doing something. So not that also. So best answer C, cope with. If we run out of capital, we will have to something our secondary line of credit. Okay, so if capital is done, then we'll have to bring out that, use. So draw on will work. Draw on means to use something. Rule out is to cancel or reject, refuse. Wipe out is to finish. Phase out is to slowly end something. So the correct answer will be A, draw on. The CEO's abrupt resignation, something a wave of panic among the institutional investors. So started. So set off, yes, to start. Put off is to postpone. Brought up is to either to raise a child. That is one meaning of brought up. So he was brought up to be a very good child. Also, to bring up something is to remind someone of something. So that also one. Passed out is, of course, to lose your senses. So none of those would work, only set off. The new policy aims to something unnecessary bureaucracy and streamline operations. So of course, do away with. Do away with means to remove completely. Make up for is to sort of what should I say, when you make up for something. So one mistake you sort of what should I say, you atone for it, right? So atone for it. So no, cut back on is to slow down, not use enough. Break clear off is to stay away from. So best answer, do away with. All right. Despite facing severe regulatory hurdles, the company managed to something the project successfully. So to complete, So in order to say to complete it, of course, you will say pull off. So to succeed, right? That is the best. What else can you say? Succeed despite problems. Carry away is to get lost in something. Okay? Get lost in the idea, in an idea. Look after, of course, is to take care. And hold up is to delay something. What's the hold up? So delay. Okay. Also to rob someone. Okay. So none of those would work. So pull off. All right, the next one. The consulting firm was brought in to something the root cause of operational inefficiency. So, of course, they were supposed to figure out, find out, see, right? So, that's what. To understand. So, to figure out. Weed out is to eliminate. Track down is to search. And blend in is to mix so that you don't stand out. So best answer D, figure out. The manufacturing plant had to something production due to a critical shortage of semiconductor chips. So because the semiconductor chips were not there, they had to slow down the production, right? So what should I say? Scale back, not wind up. Wind up means to end a business, right? So that will not work. Also, it could mean to irritate someone. Okay. Close out, of course, will mean to sell everything at very cheap rates. Okay. So dispose cheaply. That will work. And drop is to drop an agreement, something like that. So to write a formal document. Okay, so you draw up a document, you draw up a contract. So best answer, scale back. Okay, let's look at the next question. I cannot dash the exact details of the contract, but I remember the core clauses. Okay, so I cannot remember. So I cannot bring back. No, bring back will not work. It is to return. So not that. Call to mind. Yes, to remember. That will work. Call up is to phone someone. Right? So no. Think over is to consider. Ponder. Okay. So best answer will be call to mind. All right, the auditor carefully something the financial statements, cross-referencing every single invoice. So what did he do? He looked at into, right? Very carefully. So poured over, not glossed over. Glossed over means to, let's say, ignore, right? Or look very and not ignore also. The best answer will be to look, but not carefully. Okay. So to not look carefully. Pass over is to ignore. And took over is to take control. So, of course, the best answer will be poured over. All right, retailers are hoping that consumer spending will something in the final quarter of the fiscal year. So, it will increase, right? If I want to say increase, then pick up. Breakout is to start something starts, a fight broke out, so started, okay, suddenly, that's breakout. Fall through is to fail. Set in, of course, is to start. So winter has set in, started, and now it won't stop. Okay, so that's how. So best answer, pick up. The HR department had to several resumes before finding a candidate with the right skill set. So reject. So weed out. Take down, of course, I know is to shoot someone or to write. So neither of those will work. Run through is to quickly read, quickly practice once. Okay. Hand over is to give, so that won't work. So best answer, weed out. All right. During the economic crisis, the parent company had to do something to its loss-making subsidiary. They had to save. So not write off. Write off means to how will I say write off? Write off means essentially to accept that a debt is now never going to just remove it. So to accept that debt will not be repaid, that's how. Repaid. So it's a useless debt. So that's a write off. Cut off is to break relations, break ties. Bailout is to save, so that will be the correct answer. Break off, of course, we understand to abruptly end a relationship. Yeah. So none of those will work here. All right, question number 18. Despite intense pressure from corporate competitors, the small legal firm decided to something its original client. So they wanted to support. Can I say that? So stand by, support. Pull out of is to leave. Yield to is to give in. Okay. Hold out is to stick to your position. So, of course, the best answer will be stand by. All right, the next one. After realizing the business model was completely unsustainable, the founders decided to something the venture entirely. So, what they gave up? They sort of stopped. Okay. So, give up. Turn away is to send back. Okay, the beggar was turned away from the palace. Wipe out is to finish completely. Phase out is to slowly stop. So best answer, give up. All right, when confronted with ironclad evidence of tax evasion, the CFO had no choice but to back down. So to withdraw his claim. So withdraw a claim. He just had to accept that he was wrong. Hold up is to sort of stick to your position. Okay. To rob someone, to stick to your position. Or to also, I mean, it's also a delay. So yes. Pull through is to end. Catch up, of course, is to meet. That could be one. It could also be to come back to a level. So, okay. So correct answer will be to back down. And just he had to step back. All right, guys. So that were some phrasal verbs. If you found that this session helped you, do remember to hit like, subscribe to the channel, and also share this session with a friend. Of course, if you wish to enroll at Career Launcher, then you need to connect on 8130-038-836. Thank you so much, guys. I will see you next week, same time, same place.